Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's tap on connections. Here tap on mobile hotspot and tethering, then tap on mobile hotspot. And now let's set up our hotspot first before we turn it on. And here we have the options for our hotspot. As you can see, we can tap right here to change the name of our hotspot. Then we can tap save to save it. Below we have security, and we can tap on it to change the security type. If you select open, you won't have the password protection on your hotspot. If you select WPA2 PSK, you will have the password protection. And here we have our password. You can tap on it to change it or view it, but basically you can see it right here. You don't need to tap on it. So we can change it like that. Okay, once you're done setting up your hotspot, you can enable it right here by tapping the switch. But I can't do it because I don't have the SIM card in my phone. But basically, if you have a SIM card in your phone, you will be able to enable the hotspot like this. And to disable the hotspot, you can tap on this switch again. You can also enable the hotspot by opening the quick panel by swiping downwards from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here you have mobile hotspot icon. You can tap on it to enable the hotspot, but again, I don't have the SIM card, so I won't be able to enable it. And tap on this icon again to disable it. You can also press and hold on this icon to go to the mobile hotspot settings. And that's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.